In the previous demo, we had seen how to use the Google Analytics data to create dashboards in MicroStrategy. Today, we'll try to enhance that same dashboard and bring in data from Salesforce and try to merge both these data sets. So let's get started on that. And similar to what we had done in the case of Google Analytics, we will go ahead and add external data, and in this case we'll obviously choose the Salesforce reports, and you'll see the familiar OAuth parameters being required for Salesforce as well, and the connectivity to Salesforce happens very similar to Google Analytics. This is something, again, your Salesforce administrator should be able to provide to you. Once the connectivity is established, you can go ahead and connect to the Salesforce reports, and you should see a list of reports that are available to you in order to bring back data. And these are reports that Salesforce predefines, and also all the reports that custom reports that you can define for yourself. And depending on the specific subset of data that you're interested in, you might want to create a new report. And today we'll be using this report that has KPI information for the current quarter. Let's go ahead and bring that in and finish. So before we are done with the fetching in of the data, let's go take a look at a preview of the data that's available. And there it brings back information about opportunities and the leads, the amount of the opportunity, and whether or not it's an opportunity that's closed. And just like last time, MicroStrategy now brings back the entire information, puts it in a cube, and you'll now see a new data set that's available. Now, what we'll want to do is, given these are two distinct data sets, there needs to be some way to join them together, and you can actually do that right here. And in this case, we're trying to link the two country attributes from the two data sets together, and now anytime you talk about country from one of the data sets, it automatically joins on the other. We'll go ahead and add a new visualization to look at the actual data that came back from Salesforce. And for now, let's just choose a simple grid visualization to look at the data, and we'll add all the attributes that we have from Salesforce: the account, opportunity, the country that we just joined with the Google Analytics dataset, the amount of the opportunity, and just to show you that the two data sets are in fact combined, we'll add a metric that comes from the Google Analytics. And what we'll attempt to do now is apply a filter on the country attribute, and it should be clear that it's being applied to both the data sets since the country attribute is linked. Let's go ahead and do that. So you can choose the country from either of the data sets, bring that in, and you'll see the various elements available. Let's just say we are interested in only the United States. And now you see that both the top and the bottom visualizations are now filtered to have only the US as the country.